Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a phone number onto your account within the Bitrue crypto exchange app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitrue application on your device. And after you have logged in, you will end up within the home page. From here, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on Security Center. Then within this page, you can find the phone number option. Tap on the connect button at the right side and you may be prompted to bind Google Authenticator first. So proceed with binding your account with Google Authenticator, and once that is done, when you tap on the phone number option, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Type in your country code and your phone number, and when you proceed forward, you will be given a 6-digit code within your SMS. After you type in the 6-digit code, within the next screen to verify your account, your phone number will successfully be added within your account. In case you used your phone number to create your account in the first place, then this will already be added as your method. In its place, the email option will have the connect button, which you can once again connect in the same method. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your phone number onto your Bitrue application account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.